here. Alright, so here's the bolt that you need to get out for the oil to drain. And then after I drain this oil, I'm gonna come here and take off the filter. But first, we're gonna take this off. I already loosened it a bit. It wasn't that, it was tight, but now we're gonna go ahead and remove it. The oil drains. Hold on 1 second. Okay. After you loosen it, yeah, because you don't want to get oil all over the place. So, and make sure you do it when the car is basically warm. You know, the oil flows out better that way. Your time is about to come out. I just don't want to make any mess. There you go. Oh, that's very dirty. I needed to change like real bad. See guys, just a bolt and just set it to the side and let it drain. We're gonna come back in a few seconds. We're gonna give it time to drain. So we'll be right back. Another thing guys, if you want the oil to come out more, freer, you can open the top, take off the cover of the engine right there, and it will flow out more better. There it goes, draining out even more. So yeah, that's the next thing. You take off the oil cap and let it drain. Pause. Okay guys, now it's almost finished dripping from there, but we also need to take off the filter. Let me put this right here because my pan is not big enough to do both. So yeah, this was already pre-loosened. So just to take it off. Ooh, it's hot. Hot like fire. Okay. See that? So you see guys, this is just basically the cap for the filter. The filter is actually still right here. See? Well, some cars you just screw in the filter and that's the filter. The thing, this would be made inside, but this one is separate. You know, it's separate from. Ooh, gotta be careful. So some of the time you just get a rag like so and just try to clean the area a little bit. Okay, I'm making a whole mess right here. Okay, and guys, make sure you always wear gloves doing these things. Sometimes normally I don't, but it's just better for you. I'm wearing gloves right now, but yeah, just clean the area and it should be all right. See, this is it. So still dripping a little bit, but that should be all right. It's not too much. The majority of the oil is already drained out. Yeah, so as soon as you got that drain, you can go ahead and put back in your volt. Put it back in and make sure it's snug. See? Okay. Okay, that should do it. That should do it. So you got this tightened So now it's time to show them here. Let them see the area. See if your hand can reach right here. Yeah, see? The area is clean and ready to go. So any overspilled oil or oil you see draining, it's nice to just wipe it up and clean the area. So, okay, I'm gonna get the filter. Yeah, guys, and I just realized that these filters also came with a gasket, like a rubber one, so you can go ahead and change this right here. You get something that can go behind here. I don't think this is strong enough. I think it's doing it. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, I need something stronger so I can pass. Yeah, guys, I figured out a way how to get this one off. Yeah. You see, it comes right off. And you put it to the side, that there, and get the new one. I think it's gonna match it up. Okay, it looks like the same size. And you. It goes down all the way on the second to last one right there. You see? This is just to make sure everything is all snug back together and goes into place so that you don't have a leak or anything like that. Alright? Okay. And then, guys, you get the brand new filter, and you can do it either way. You can put it in the cover and put it on, or you can just slide it in like that so it's snug and it's on. Then you get the cover with the new stuff and just slide it on. You screw it back on, screw it back into place. I think the new rubber is a little bit tightish. Hold on, guys, pause me. Screw it all the way back in. Yeah, babe. Yeah, this one is not, this part is definitely not easy. That's why I rather the old school, the other ones, where you just see if I can tighten it with my hands, because okay. Okay, guys, so that's it. Once you do all of that and you tighten that up, okay, so everything is nice and tight and clean, then it's time now to go refill. The hardest part of the job is over, so now it's time to go refill, put in back some oil in this baby. Let's go. Ready? Alright guys, so with this filter, we either need one of these or one of these. But I'd rather go for one of these because when you get one of these, you don't have much play underneath the car to do anything. So you can get these at AutoZone. Mine is kind of broken because it comes with a spring on it, but I still had to find a way to use it. That's why I was having a hard time screwing back on the filter, because the spring allows it to snap back and hold in place. So yeah, I would suggest getting one of these. You know what I mean? And to get some clearance or whatever, I have a extender or whatever you guys would call it, along with this. So yeah, it's better to get one of these if you're going to be doing this job at home in your garage. It will help to loosen the filter pan. So definitely I would suggest getting one of these. Not this one, because this one is kind of more complicated. You would need more clearance in order to use something like this underneath here. So yeah. Put these over here. Right. So now it's time to do oil. Come here. And guys, I'm using a funnel because I don't want to make a mess. So I'm using a funnel so that it goes straight into it. And yes guys, it's gonna take this whole bottle right here. That's why I got the small ones in case it needs to be topped off. Like if it needs more, you know. But right here, it took this whole bottle. It took a whole bottle. So if you're not sure if it's filled up or it have enough, what I do is I go ahead and take my dipstick and I work with my dipstick. I put it in and see how much oil do I have in it, so that you don't put no less or no more than you're supposed to. Okay, so it's right down here. We need to get up here. And if you can see it, don't know if you can see it, the light is shining, but you see these marks, some marks right here. See if you can come closer and show them. Okay, it's not working out guys, but a mark should be on your dipstick that tells you where exactly the oil should be. Okay, so basically we need more oil. Alright guys, so we're gonna put more in it. Yep. Yeah, this baby needed clean oil. Also gonna pour the other one, because that single one by itself was not enough. So these are just topping it off to make sure we have enough in it. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So after putting in the other small bottles, guys, we're still gonna check, and sometimes it takes a while for all the oil to settle. So um, your reading probably not be too correct on your dipstick until all the oil is settled in the car. Yeah, it's still down there. Oh, yeah. I think you probably need one more. Okay. Okay, guys. And that is really how you do it. Oil change for your Volvo Xc90. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'll be doing more videos on the same SUV, a lot more, so that you guys can have an insight of what I'm doing here, because it's the project, so we're gonna do it. So like, share, and do leave your comment. If you have anything to say, just keep your negative comments. I know there's a lot of car guys out there, gurus or whatever you call yourselves. My way is probably not your way. The way how I do things is probably not how you do things. But at the end of the day is, I know how to do it and do it safely at the end of the day. And guys, with this car, you don't have to really put on no jack stand. It's kind of high enough. Well, for me, it's high enough, so I did not have to put it on no jacks, no nothing, because you guys are probably wondering why I didn't mention no jacks. Because it's not on no jack. Show them. Show them it's not on no jack stand. It's just right in my garage, right here. So, yeah. So, thank you guys for checking out my video. Have a good one. Just fix it.